we're doing today. This drill press, the Leland Gifford drill press I restored, is going to get its first real job. And the other old lathe, I always forget its name, CANEDY-OTTO. It's a two-step. They're hooked up, both powered by the same motor, so I can set up the drill bit that I need for each operation. Don't have to stop. So I'll bring you in closer. Oh, this is what we're going to be doing today. This is the bronze bearing for the Seneca Falls lathe conversion. I have to drill an oil hole in the lock and pin hole. So the pin hole and it's going to be on the first drill press. I'll do a pilot hole, same size, and then I'll do the oil hole in the old Leland Gifford drill press, the first official job. So let me zoom in for the small press here. I'll show you how this works. Oh, you zoom out in. So power it up. Back here's the clutch. Engage that. Both drill presses fire up. Zoom in here. And both these drill presses from the 1920s. And, can't complain at all about them. So, I have this set for depth so it doesn't go all the way through for the lock pin. So I'll lock the two bushings together. And I'll rearrange the depth so it goes all the way. Yeah, I'll just go down depth and then use the pilot drill for that. It's all the way through. Well, it's all the way to its stop, I should say. I can't believe how quiet these two are. For the age, I did replace all the bearings in both of them. I'll replace anything I can find. If I can find it, I'll buy it. That process is done. Come over here, zoom back out. Should have checked the bit first. This one's pretty dull. But it's only bronze, so it'll make it through. First time using this, so still learning the tricks to it. This bit is dead, but it'll work. There's the first section. Of course. Still trying to find the correct key for this chuck. I got the universal three-way, but it's old Jacob's chuck, so I should be able to find one. But that's why the jaw wasn't that tight. So there's what we got. Oil hole all the way through, locking pin down just right past the two sections to lock them together. I'll bring you back when the lathe is up and running again. Have a good day.